JDashboard is a configurable application that basically allows you to customize your dashboard. It is highly configurable and you can personalize it to meet your needs in fewer steps. You can add as many JDA web pages as your company requires. All you need to do is put the JDA web page URL in a configurable YAML file and set a timer to display any specific page on the dashboard. Also, you can change tabs and click a button for a specific web page. The header of your dashboard will display live weather updates. It can be configured to display weather for any location and units. To configure the weather updates, you must specify the zip code, country, and units in Celsius or Fahrenheit. The bottom of your dashboard will display newsfeed on a ticker. Again, this is also configurable. You can add any URL you want.